Okay, guys, we just got done here with our meal. We're sitting down to partake of it. So we did taste test it. It was actually pretty good by itself. So combined, I'm going to hope it's pretty good. Anyway. Katie and I started about a week ago a keto diet. I've actually lost about 12 pounds already so far. Katie's lost what? 6?
Yeah, about 6.
Around 6. This is just a dinner that I am going to make up. And I'm going to film it as we go along here so y'all can see what we've been eating. This is going to be kind of like a beef tip. Kind of like a stroganoff kind of thing that we're going to make, except we're not using noodles. We're going to do it over cabbage with leeks that are going to be sauteed with butter. And actually, I've never done a leek before, so this is the first time I'm doing a leek. And well, you guys come on along here. We're going to get this done. So. Okay, so next what we're going to do is I did the leeks. They're all ready to go. I have a stick of butter in here that is melting. Now, leeks are cleaned. Butter's going. So now I'm going to do the cabbage. Well, like I said, we're going to do kind of like a beef tip kind of a meal. And instead of using noodles, we're going to use cabbage. Sauteed in butter with the leeks. Cabbage in with the butter. So now what I'm going to do is do some vegetables here real quick for sauteing after these get done. The leeks and the cabbage, we're going to pull them out, put them to the side, and we are going to saute up some beef tips, green peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, and I did buy, I cheaped out, I got the frozen kind. So, that's okay. That's what we're going to do. And what we are actually using is some tenderloin. It's not beef tips, it's actually deer, it's venison. We are going to be cutting up some tenderloins. So we're going to throw these in here so we know what we got. Throw that piece away. And like I said, guys, whew, this is a make it up as you go meal, literally. I just came up with an idea with the ingredients that we are allowed to use, and I am just coming up, literally just making this up, so I have no idea what it's even going to taste like. Here's our tenderloin. By the way, this venison is from the very good friend that we met back at the campground in Mayberry Campground, back in Mount Airy, North Carolina. And we talked about him on our 3-month review. He was from Georgia. Well, he is from Georgia, and he's a great guy. He would bring us a lot of a lot of different foods and different things. And these are the tenderloins from his last year's harvest. They were frozen. And we're going to go ahead and just dice these up so that they cook a little bit faster, but also so you know, they're in little cubes. Boy, this, oh man, this looks good.
So at first I was really skeptical of it. I didn't like the sound of it because it just didn't make sense in my brain. We're going to eat a lot of fat. But the more I researched it and then actually just taking the leap and starting it, it's actually working.
Yeah. Oh, and by the way, you know what? We want to give a shout out to the Paddy Wagon. Patrick, over here. Patrick, thank you. You guys, if you don't know who the Paddy Wagon is, and Patrick, sorry Patrick, I forget your last name, but anyways.
Just look him up on YouTube.
Look him up on YouTube. He's on there. He had a little short video and talked very briefly about the keto diet that he was on.
We could put a link in our...
And we will put a link in there. I already talked to him. He said it was okay, so we can do that. So anyways, Patrick, thank you so much for doing that. I have the absolute... I've tried quite a few mini diets. And, you know, ever since I've injured myself and injured my back, in fact, I might even have to take a break here because I can't stand here this long. But, ever since I injured my back, I have put on a lot of weight. I put on probably 60, maybe even 70 pounds. Yeah, I'm really overweight. And I know that, and I am, I've tried quite a few different ways to try to get it off so that it's not so much pressure on my back, because I'm in pain constantly. But anyways, this diet, if I even can call it a diet, as in dieting to take weight off, because it doesn't seem like it's definitely a diet because it's what you're eating, but the diet is great. I love it. It's easy to do. It's fun to cook.
And we're sitting down eating our dinners and we're like, is this allowed? It's like so good. It
Yeah.
doesn't taste like it should be healthy.
Yeah, you know, it's not like spinach and, you know, chicken, fish, you know, no. We're actually eating, well, you see, lots of good stuff. Now, obviously, I'm not doing pasta because we can't do pasta. I mean, and that's okay. It's hard for an Italian not to have pasta, but I'm doing it. I'm doing it fine. So, you know what? It's fine. I don't care. We're doing greens. We're going to do some leeks, and we'll get ready to pull these leeks out of here and drop these in. Let them start steaming up with these butter.
Because many times we've tried the chicken and salad and fish diet, and that just gets so boring after a while.
Yeah, it's very hard. And it's not that I don't like salads, because I love salads.
And I don't, though, because I couldn't do the salads all the time. We were constantly buying salad stuff and making salads, and we would eat them for a day or two, and then I'd end up throwing them away another week later. And it was just a mess. It was not enjoyable at all.
No. And this is great. I mean, we're actually, yeah, and it's very good. Very, very good. So my plan here again, like I said, is we're doing the cabbage with the leeks. Over there. We're doing the cabbage with the leeks. They are sauteing in butter right now, just soaking up that butter and getting good, getting soft and nice and tender. I will put a little bit of salt on those here in a bit, and that's one thing we have noticed here with this type of a diet. You need to make sure that your salt intake is pretty good. So, with this type of diet, cholesterols go down. The bad, what is it? LDL?
LDL.
Goes down.
HDL. HDL, which is your
And
good
HDL goes up. Triglycerides
cholesterol.
go down. Fat goes off. Blood pressure goes down. Your sugar, insulin levels out. By the way, disclaimer, just because Katie and I can get away with this does not necessarily mean you're going to be able to. And what I mean by that is if you're diabetic, please do your own research. Please do your own research on this. Because if you're already diabetic, this is not the diet for you. Okay? Also, consult your doctor before you do this. So anyways, it's working great for us and I love it. So what we are doing, again, then the beef tips, I'm going to saute these up with some more butter, a little bit of salt, and then we're going to put the peppers and onions in. We're going to saute everything up. We'll let them soften up, and then at that point I'm going to extract all that, put even more butter and a little bit of water with some a beef cube. Yep, and we're going to put a beef cube in. We're going to melt that down, get that going. We're going to put a little bit of garlic in there, just very little. And then we're going to get some coconut flour. Coconut flour. And we're going to mix that in some water, and we are going to attempt to make some gravy. And then we're going to mix the beef tips and the vegetables here all back together with the gravy. And then that is all going to go on top of our cabbage and leeks. Sounds good?
Let's get it done. I'm
Hey,
hungry.
you're done.
Move on. Oh, come on
Hey,
in.
come Bob.
Come on in. Hello. Here's our neighbor Bob.
Hey Bob, we're filming. Come on in. Come. This
Say
is just
hi.
a little. I know you guys are on a strict diet. This is a card.
Thank
This
you.
is pumpkin bread joysting. It's
Oh,
not a lot. It won't hurt your diet. Enjoy it in good health. You can go back on the diet tomorrow.
thank
How you
you.
Thank you, bro.
That's very nice.
Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Good, how are you? Was that
you?
you that left the note for us?
No.
Somebody left me a note that said ride at 10:30 and blah blah blah. Not today, but another
What kind of ride? What are you making?
motorcycle ride. This is just an attempt.
He's just making his own thing
I
up.
am trying to make
Right now he's trying to make a gravy.
a gravy.
Uh-oh.
Trying to do like a sirloin
Get a
tip.
good close up of this.
Yeah.
Doesn't look very good, but
You go and say, what do you think? There's our inspector.
It's just a gravy, but
Uh-huh.
I can't use flour.
Okay.
So I'm using coconut flour with some milk.
Get a closer look on that. Does this have a scratch and sniff smell thing on it?
It does.
Get it? Scratch and sniff. It does look pretty good though.
I think
So
it
we
is
are
making
going
it up.
to find
When you
out.
walk in, it smells very
Does it
good.
smell good?
Yeah,
Good,
Find
'cause
out.
I'm
And
starving.
here's the stuff.
So you still sticking with the diet? Is he still
Mhm.
behaving?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll see.
Yeah.
Now will that thicken up a little bit?
I'm hoping. That's why I'm gonna sit here and let that keep heating up a while.
Yeah, let it do its thing.
Yeah.
Because you know how
From
flour.
here, because we can't use, put pasta now, right? So here's what we're gonna put over top of it. Cabbage and leeks.
It is gonna be. It is gonna be
It
good.
might look good.
Grab a home.
No.
Taste it. It's all
No,
butter.
I know, but
It's all butter.
You don't like cabbage?
No.
I love it.
You would like it like this, sauteed in butter.
You can't tell it's
You
cabbage.
would.
Only cabbage I is
Tastes like-
coleslaw, and
tastes
I
like
only
butter.
use Joyce's coleslaw because she uses sour cream.
Oh, we can eat sour
Okay,
cream.
all right, can you?
Yes.
Yeah.
But I can't eat coleslaw. Not like it.
Well, what are you eating there? That's cabbage.
That's cabbage, but it's not coleslaw.
He doesn't like mayonnaise. He's scared of mayonnaise.
Old guys. Not us young guys, but old guys.
Us young guys.
Yeah.
Us young
Right.
guys. We're young.
Well,
We're young at heart, maybe.
Well,
young
you-
at heart,
no,
no, but
Okay.
these guys were old. Are we still recording? We're still recording. Is this going to be on YouTube? It is. When?
Probably.
Have you ever done this? Have you ever taken the camera and turned it around so you can see who really photographs us?
I'm not supposed to be on camera right
Okay,
now.
but she
I'm
looks
the
good,
camera
and she is behind the scenes. And there we are.
Oh,
So I just
you're
want to let
funny.
the folks in the world know that there is someone.
There's
holding
someone
us.
behind the
Yeah.
camera.
Okay, guys, we just got done here with our meal. We're sitting down to partake of it. So we are very hungry, so we're going to get started and to eat here. But before we do, we want to give a shout out, thanks to Bob
Bob and Joyce,
and Joyce, his wife. They just sent over some. What did he say this was?
pumpkin bread,
Pumpkin bread.
and a Christmas card.
And a Christmas card. Thanks, guys. We love you guys. We appreciate it.
Yes.
They're super great people. You guys met Bob on my motorcycle run, and you saw him here when we were cooking. He came over. So great people, great guys. This is the fun thing about being on the road.
Very
Like
fun.
I said, is you get to meet a lot of people, and it is so fun. It is so cool, and God is just so good on just what He does. So it is so it's really great. So we want to send a thanks out to Bob and Joyce. Thank you so much for that. And obviously, that is not part of this diet. It's coming of the holidays. This is something that we started willfully in the middle of the holidays.
I don't know if that was brave or stupid.
It could have been stupid.
I think it was.
Need some more salt. Pretty good. How's your venison taste? Like that? It's good, isn't it?
Nice and good.
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. Very good, honey. Good job.
Thank you. Yeah. Bye
Bye
for
for
now.
now.